in with that very nice landing. It's a pleasure to welcome you to Los Angeles International Airport. Local time approximately 12:35 p.m. Pacific time. And we'll be taxiing for a few more minutes. Please remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened till the captain turns the seatbelt sign off. And please be sure you take all your personal belongings with you when you leave the aircraft today. Use caution when opening up the overhead bins, and please do not smoke until you're in a designated smoking area. If you have a cell phone handy, you may turn that on at this time. If you're making a connection here, particularly Honolulu, continuing on this flight, there is a change of aircraft and crew if you are going on to Honolulu, so please take all your personal belongings and check the departure monitor as you exit the jetway bridge. And if you're making other connections, the same, there's a TV departure monitor, and please check this monitor for the up to the minute gate connection.